Hey guys, happy Monday! So we've been keeping a very big secret here at CBS Austin and Telemundo Austin. And today we will finally show it to you. So for the past couple months, our set has been under some very heavy renovations. But today we're showing you the final outcome. Follow me. So that was our temporary set. We've been using it for about 4 months now. We have some of our production team here, some of our engineers still fixing a couple things, but this is it! Our new set. And so just starting off with all this space, I feel like there's so much space now to move along, and this is our weather center. So this is where a lot of the graphics will be shown up, they'll be popped up, it'll give the viewers better visuals versus just that green screen. Especially during severe weather, it will be much more helpful. And now we're going to walk out over here to the anchor desk. So this is more than likely where the show will start many times. And over here is where you will probably see me the most. I will either be standing here or here in the 3 panels. If I'm not out on the field, you'll probably see me right here giving you all the breaking stories or all the top news or just all the follow-ups. But yeah, now we're going to go to my favorite part, which is the lifestyle section. And so I probably won't be here much, but this is where We Are Austin and the morning show will be filmed. And more than likely our entertainment reporter Salwa will probably be hanging out here in the couches with her guests. But yeah, this is my favorite part. Now, exiting real quick, we're gonna be seeing the green screen. So this is where we're gonna be recording a lot of the commercials, promos, taking the headshots. We'll probably be doing it over here. And yeah, just look at all this space. It's going to be really hard for our anchors not to use up all this space, but that was a brief overview of our studio, and I will see all y'all on the air.